Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about skincare. We are going to be making a homemade scrub. Winter is approaching us, so what better way to exfoliate our skin and give it that natural glow? For this scrub, you will need 2 ingredients: brown or white sugar and honey. One and a half teaspoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of honey. The ratio will be 1 part sugar and 2 parts honey to get an evened out consistency. We're going to mix it and apply it to our face. Apply the scrub evenly throughout your face and rub it gently into the skin in a circular motion and then rinse it off.